With this setup, I have shot weddings, travel videos, vlogs, commercials, car and bike videos, cityscapes, events, you name it, and I've shot it. And the best part, it all fits in a pocket or in a tiny sling bag. So let me break it down for you. First up, the brain of the operation, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's tiny, powerful, and handles everything from low-light weddings to 4K slow-motion videos. Next, the Startrc Z-Axis Gimbal. This little beast stabilizes vertical motion, doubles as a handle, and even protects the gimbal when I'm on the move. Oh, and I bolted a phone holder to the back for the live monitoring. I drilled a hole, added a screw, and done. This extra weight kills shaky footsteps, and it is perfectly steady even when I'm sprinting for the shots. For the filters, I'm using the K&F Concept ND filters. They are slim profile filters, so I do not need to take it off when I'm turning the camera off. So no more fumbling mid-shoot, and it is a huge win. So for the battery life, I have this perfect solution. I velcroed a power bank to the gimbal. So whenever I'm running low on the juice, I just need to put this and plug the camera to the Osmo Pocket. And due to the fast charging, it just charges super fast and I can shoot all day without breaking a sweat. The best part about this setup that everything is modular. I have velcroed every single thing, so I can actually put my phone on, I can put other accessories on, I can put the power bank on, and more. And if you need a mic, I suggest you the new DJI Mic Mini. It is what I'm using right now to record this audio, and it connects wirelessly and gives you crispy audio without zero hassles. So there you go, 5 pieces, 1 killer setup. Shoot pro footage anywhere, anytime. If you got any more questions, drop them down below, and I will see you in the next one.